Welcome to our channel. Today we how to understand mortgage pre-approval, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding mortgage pre-approval is an essential step in the home buying process. First, recognize what mortgage pre-approval is. Pre-approval gives you an estimate of how much you can borrow from a lender. It involves a detailed assessment of your financial situation. Begin by gathering your financial documents. You will need recent pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Next, check your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining your mortgage options. Once you have your financial documents ready, choose a lender. Research various lenders to find one that suits your needs. Contact the lender to start the pre-approval process. You may be able to complete the application online for convenience. Fill out the application form accurately. The lender will ask for your personal information, including your income, debts, and assets. After submitting the application, the lender will review your financial information. They will assess your creditworthiness by checking your credit history. This process usually takes a few days. Once approved, your lender will provide a pre-approval letter. This letter indicates the loan amount you qualify for. Make sure to read the terms and conditions attached to the pre-approval. Now that you have your pre-approval letter, you can start house hunting. Being pre-approved gives you a competitive edge in the housing market. You can make offers with confidence, knowing your financing is in place. Remember, pre-approval does not guarantee final mortgage approval. Ensure to maintain your financial health during this period. Avoid making large purchases or changing jobs before closing. Keep in touch with your lender throughout the process. This communication will help ensure a smooth transition from pre-approval to closing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.